few hours before our plane, and we decided to stop at
Redondo Beach.
Redondo Beach. You know, if you want to have a lot of fun, just ask Russian people, say beach. Well, this is seriously, but I don't see the difference.
Beach. And
Beach,
E. E.
beach. Whoa, no, I'm seriously. Okay, okay. Tell me how you're supposed to say.
I don't. Okay.
Be. Well, how
The
you say
word-
be?
Okay, the word for female dog is,
Okay.
is bitch. And the word
Yeah, it's
for
a bitch.
The sand,
And this is the beach.
the sand beach.
Beach. I'm not joking. I'm serious. I'm very serious. I just try
okay.
to figure out. Okay,
You have a very similar
it's a
vowel
sound.
that I cannot even say either.
Okay, it sounds
It's
sounds
bit.
similar to me.
Like bit. What's that word? Like
Bit?
this bit.
B,
Paruski.
B,
That vowel.
B,
Eh,
E,
yeah.
E,
Eh,
E. Okay,
eh.
E.
So it's
Beach? No,
Yeah.
it's not that. It just-
but I can't tell the difference
it sounds
between
total
that
wrong.
food and I can barely tell the difference between that. But for me, and E is like miles apart.
Okay. Well, anyway, we're here.
We are here with all the sand in the ocean.
Yes, yeah, we're going to walk around and just see. General never been on this one. We was in the Oregon's and other ones. It looks similar, a little bit warmer than Oregon. Still very stinky. Actually, I think this is stink more than Oregon.
It's warmer.
It's warmer probably. Yeah, it's why it smells. Well, looks okay. Well, we're going down, walk a little bit on a beach. I think yes. That's why we're trying going down there.
Yeah, we'll go there and go to the.
It's always kind of cool, be like on a sea level. I don't know, it's a smell, it's everything. I always want to go and live just like by the ocean. I know it. I like the idea of this. I don't know if I will like actually live there because we live in Oregon for some time, and the problem is it's a cold. Sometimes it's getting there, but it's I don't know. It's always nice to see on a by the water, you know, something relaxing. Cool. And yeah, visiting here, this beach is kind of it's a different. It's not that crowded. I mean, it's a very nice way to spend time. I can see why people like it. And if you look right there, see on the back, a lot of houses like the cover because everyone see this beautiful, beautiful view of the ocean. Ooh, look, it's come closer, closer. Hey, almost got to me. That's very close. I think the other one is a fishing boat. I should ask people. Yeah. It's nice and beautiful. Well, we need to go walk to the pier. So right here it's a daughter, Amy, boyfriend. So we go visit them. Well, we're going on a pier now. Sexual walk on the sand is always fun. Look right there. Hey, going on the sand. I like to embarrass people.
How old are these poles?
What's where? Oh, there's a mermaid. Well, this is the pier. What is this pier called?
This is Redondo Beach Pier.
Oh, Redondo Beach Pier. Okay. Well, if I only can read sign.
Are there restrooms here?
There should be.
It's water.
Yeah,
I'm
I
just going to
figured-
water.
I figured like here's some buildings.
Ah,
But we'll just find. Let's not worry about it right now.
cool. Live music, drink, karaoke. Oh, look at this bear. It's beautiful. There's a Amy. The other ones look interesting. Yeah, it is very interesting beer here. Oh, look on this Reese. This French-Japanese cuisine. That is interesting fusion. Hey, me to take a picture. Crabs. Wow. Lobsters. Sushi out of that one. Oh, look, actual people fishing here.
A lot of people catch food.
Interesting. You know, it's remind me. You remember when we was in which one beach it was in England? The people fishing for the crabs actually there was small crabs, so it's kind of cool. Ooh, look, original Pier probably. That is nice. Look,
I don't know if they like.
it's old one. It seems like yeah. Jump like see if we can break. No, it's a metal things under.
Hey!
Yay!
You know what? Alright,
Oh, the gutters.
this makes me wonder. Right now,
So you can have a gutter here.
Sharks bite fish
I'm swimming like submarine.
Oh, look, there's a fishy there.
the whole half day.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's only $50 for a hot dog.
Maybe it's more expensive.
Woo!
That's what it is. You guys were out.
Really?
Yeah.
That's scary.
Because it happened to when a kid when I was drinking.
Yeah, a lot of people have like multiple.
Yeah, very interesting. Oh, that does look like a ship right here. Somebody.
Oh yeah, it does. But I don't think it is.
And the cannons. I know, and the cannons on the top, if you can see it.
Every 4th of July they fire them. Oh, they do?
I'm surprised how many people actually fishing here. And what you saw, they catch a lot of fish. So it's not bad. It's an interesting way to actually.
Thank you.
So within the first 30 minutes we catch a marlin. We're like all taking turns going. They do have dolphins.
Yeah, we saw them.
Maybe it was.
Look at that shark.
Yes. Yep. It's not very many people here today. So they got very interesting places. Obviously, we're staying here for some time. Okay, that was
Redondo Beach.
Redondo, and we're going now visit
Manhattan Pier.
Manhattan Pier. So we are now visiting another beach, and this is the Manhattan Beach. Yes. Okay. So we are at Manhattan Beach. Well, to me, it does not look like Manhattan. Well, actually, this is precisely look like Manhattan Beach because you look right here, concrete and nothing else.
Look, there's green.
Yeah. Well, it's a plastic green. It's not even real green. So it does look like a Manhattan, you know. We still got some drinks for us. I got my orange one, kind of. I don't know which one. And
You
I
like
got
it?
Something
Hibiscus,
else.
lemonade,
Okay.
and that's carrot ginger.
Yeah, it actually tastes like carrot. Oh, crocodile. Very nice. Right now we're going to the Manhattan Beach. It is more water, more sand, more fun. Oh, there's a Amy over here for drink. It's actually not bad. This one is carrot, ginger, lemonade. What else here?
Carrot ginger lemonade.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
They just have a really nice balance to it.
Yeah, it's. Oh, where we need to go? Left, right, straight?
Straight. We'll walk to the pier, then decide on one.
I like.
Hey, you're running away. Okay. Okay, crazy people.
Cultural sense.
Fine.
That is a very steep to going down, and I'm not looking to walking back up afterwards.
Yeah, people come down here and play use volleyball. It's pretty seriously. Yeah, so we were over there. See how it's so good?
Look how many volleyball nets here, just all the way. Play volleyball.
Really fun, really
Wow. So you can see opponent. Oh, more even on this side, yes?
Yeah, so this is
Wow.
where they have the championship for volleyball in the world. I've never come there.
So why do they have here sand or area or?
Sand, weather, I don't know. It's become the mecca for beach volleyball players.
Wow.
There's a wide amount of beach that.
Yeah, it's not.
But look, yeah, they covered like
Tide doesn't come clear up.
3 right there. Wow. Look, a rows and rows here, and then another side. That is kind of.
It's like the Alpine apartment. but most
And
of them-
right there is a Venice Beach, yeah, right.
Venice Beach is much further actually.
I think it's
So
fine.
you can see it in the distance, but the next one is
Yeah.
El Segundo.
Oh, okay.
And the airport actually. So LAX is right there.
And then after El Segundo is Santa Monica, right?
After El Segundo is Playa del Rey. And then after that it's Marina del Rey. And then Venice, and then Santa Monica.
Nice.
Yeah, if you can see the skyscrapers in the distance, that's Santa Monica. Like
Okay.
pretty close to the mountains.
It's quite a bit windy actually here, but it is nice. It's not too cold. Wind. It is. I'm okay in a t-shirt, but I think the jacket will be probably okay. And it's 63 right now, so it's good weather.
Yeah.
I think a little bit hotter maybe will be. A little bit warmer will be better, but it's very good weather. Very nice.
Now what kind of ships
Oh, it's people actually fishing.
Maybe oil.
Oh, okay.
This is huge ships. You see the birds down there? They're the pelicans, I think. Yeah. We just saw the flock of the pelicans before. Well, I did not pull camera out, but yeah, there was lots of them. And yeah, right there you can see. This is a. Yeah, I don't know. You can see by the water. So they're going lower to the water. They're going, and this is a big pelicans. Waiting for the good wave. Oh, that one is getting good one. Woo! They have an aquarium here. Huh. That could be interesting. Let's go check. And I feel like kind of going around. There's Amy. Hi, Amy. Well, I was looking at those guys catching the wave. It was kind of interesting.
really?
Yeah.
I was asking if, I'm like, that would be interesting to try to do.
I don't know. I cannot swim, so
Well, yeah, see?
I need life jacket. So this is where you select your fish for dinner. Yes.
I want the
Shark.
Oh, sure.
Oh,
Wow. Ever seen one of those?
oh, that's scary.
They live in the state.
How many sharks?
Where they can detect.
Poor guy stuck in.
No, he lost it.
Give them freedom.
Look, more Vladimirs.
Oh. It's kind of nice. It's a little bit windy.
It is
I think
a
it's
little
almost always windy here, yeah.
windy. Probably
But
more.
it's nice.
But yeah, I got a little.
Actually, it smells less than other beach here. Or I get used to, or it's just other ones depending. More in the water, maybe, and it's blowing away.
I was getting used to it. But there too.
But
So
it's blowing kind of away a little bit, yeah.
yeah. No, I think it's over though. I think.
I think it's kind of
Yeah.
India.
But they have wetsuits, yeah, so it should be fine.
That's why they have the really warm ones.
Yeah, I just was wondering, do they just hanging in the water what they're looking for? Can you tell which
water
wave they're
always
looking
cool?
for?
Which wave? Yeah, so they got to get one that's breaking right where they're. Yes, that one's breaking a little bit too late. So it's breaking there.
So you have to swim. Oh, okay.
So you have to get the distance right. So it's breaking
Like maybe those
not
ones?
right when it's about to hit you, but enough to kind
Like
of give
this
it
is
momentum
breaking
on it.
too early.
Too soon.